So we're going to the 5 mile. So we're going to 5 mile. This is my biggest race yet, right, Noe?
Yes, sir.
so we're what are we doing?
Going to your race, obviously.
Yeah, so this is my biggest race at anywhere. It's $900 to win. So that's
it's only 800 if you want.
well, it's 800 for me. Everybody else is 900. So yeah, but cause so the reason I'm only gonna get 800, everybody else is getting 900, is me and Tommy has won all the races there. So it's not a bounty, but it's just really if me and him win, then we only get 800, but everybody else gets 900.
It's like a bonus.
Yeah, it's a bonus. And he put up an extra 100, so it was originally supposed to be 800 for different people, but he put up an extra 100, so it's 900. So that's the biggest race. Yeah, biggest right? Yeah.
Hold on.
So yeah, it's right there. Especially there's a big line. For my modifieds, it's 5,125, I think. So there's 2 different memorials in one night.
That is when
Factory stocks is Shirley Shootout, and the modifieds are, I don't remember what that's called. What's it? The Mike Colston, right? Memorial. Yeah, the Mike Colston thingy. So, right? Yeah. So I don't really know what else to say. Yeah. It's supposed to be a whole bunch of cars here. So this is the biggest factory stock race around town, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Tony Lockwood's calling you. Oh, look at him. He's flying us right on.
I did Parker there.
Oh, no, it's a line. I don't think I've been here before.
You've never been at 5 Mile? Nope. What a loser.
Let him get in the trailer.
Don't talk to me like that.
Those are all those other clowns.
Yeah, but
The clown. Oh my God. This is a line. Jeez, they're gonna hit the truck. Look at these losers.
Tom, if they're gonna think you're recording them.
Rich is here. That's Rich Sharpstein. Wait, not Rich Sharpstein. Rich Green, man. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that lady's selling. Oh, she's a girl.
Yeah, we're here at 5 Mile. Alright, I guess we'll start. Why'd you just wave to them?
I don't know.
So I guess we're gonna start when we go. We're at 5 Mile. Apparently there's over 20 cars. I haven't put the lineup yet, but apparently over 20 cars. I don't know if Tommy Gruber's here in McDonald's car or he's here in his own car. Nita, do you know if Tommy Gruber's here in McDonald's car?
I see the car that Gruber bought.
Here?
Clayton McLean's car, so I don't know if he's here. I don't know if his car is here.
Papa, is McDonald's or is Tommy Gruber driving McDonald's car again? Is Tommy Gruber driving McDonald's car again?
I saw the car he bought. Wait, up there, number 2.
He's got his own car.
We don't
Is he gonna race
have
it?
those, right?
And McDonald's here? Is McDonald's here? You never know these guys. I don't know anything. Yeah. I think you're handling more about all the game. Ain't nice one.
Did you watch it?
How you doing today, Tony?
Good. There's gotta be bigger names here than him, right? Williamson's fast.
Hey, guess we'll. High laps are over. Heat's supposed to go out soon. They don't have the lineup yet, so
Yeah.
let's do it. You know what I'm saying?
afraid to go up high?
I didn't think it was gonna work.
It worked real good. So the first heat, Rich Green won by a lot. The second heat, Senior won by a lot.
Are we close?
No, once you hit that high side, you were gone. Like, you would have been gone had you done that sooner.
What, do you think I was attached to Rich?
It's very hard. I can't tell. I mean, you, Senior, and Rich are definitely fast. Obviously, those two got years of experience. You know,
Get a good number. Start.
that'll help. But you know, you got.
A lot left.
Obviously, the track is going to be different come feature time. So I don't know.
I think it's like dry, like.
Yeah. I sat there laughing my. Never mind.
I'll be laying over on the grass crying like a little girl.
That was a good sponsor.
What happened? I didn't hear it. The generator. Say it again?
So, so,
No, it's just full of water.
Damn it.
I was going down the straightaway, counter's hitting me, so I'm going like this, and I can't see anything. I'm trying to get my gear off, I'm trying to reach them, can't see
out?
them. Yeah, no, I'm trying to reach them. I'm trying to pull it, I can't. I'm like, I finally get it. I finally get it, and then I go down a little bit, and then the project comes out, and I check. I don't even wear tear off, so my screen cover. So I come like this, and then I get it, and I'm like, why is it so wet? I open my windshield, so rain starts going all on my face.
Dude, you have hair off on your motor right now.
Yeah, hold her off.
That's your first time racing in the rain?
How long was the rain
Redundant,
for?
this, huh?
How long was the rain?
No, it really just started coming down.
I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure you're done.
Yeah, you're done for the night.
You know how many laps you had
So
in?
you get to do all the work and you don't even get to finish the race?
No money for it. That's alright though, because there's something wrong with the left rear of the
Yeah.
car.
You got a problem anyway. I think that's why you're not as fast as you should be.
Fireworks.
Oh, that's all.
Did they say how many laps you had in, Dominic? Or
He looked fast in the beginning.
Oh yeah, they were only going 6 laps.
yeah, do you know how many laps are on?
They probably got 16 laps now. They did not have.
There's no way they got
The left
16.
rear available.
They didn't go 3 laps without a caution.
I thought I was flat.
They had like 80 laps in the
I don't think they made
But then I seen you all guys not like.
There's something definitely something wrong with your
We're just gonna give it to BB
Go
Grella.
up there and tell them I'm gonna take all my shit out of here if they don't fucking give the race to beat me.
They should. Fireworks, man. Fireworks. 80 fast and 28 fast. Yeah, Rich Green was fast.